After 4 hours of deliberation today, sir, we'd like to know the outcome of NWC meeting, sir.
After 4 hours of deliberation, we are more united than we have ever been. It is not my job as chairman to tell you the outcome of the meeting. We have a national public secretary. He will tell you there's still something going on, meeting going on that will make the report is going to give total.
We thought that you may have heeded
what you thought is not what we thought. Well, I'm telling you what we've done. There's a meeting going on right now, and the National Public Secretary will give you the total outcome. It's not my job as National Chairman to say, oh, we are meeting, blah, 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 blah. Please.
Okay,
all right? What do you call burning issue?
Zoning.
What zoning? No. That's what the meeting today is all about. When we do the zoning meeting, and we don't just go alone as a party, the zoning is to take along the person who has the mandate of this country. President-elect, the Senator Ahmed Bola Tinubu, we have to take him along. He traveled after the elections, and he came back only last week. And we must carry him along. And we cannot stop those who are ambitious, or zonal interests, or even individual interests, institutional interests. We cannot deny them. And for as long as that is there, we have to find a way, persuasive manner of getting some level of consensus. And that's what we are working on. It's not a one-day affair. Thank you.
What the resolutions today, sir?
All right, amongst all of the issues discussed today, we looked at some internal, some domestic housekeeping matters with a colleague that you know who has expressed concerns about some things he believes the party should be doing. We deliberated, completely about it, and as we speak, a committee that was set up to complete that conversation is, in progress right now. So there's a meeting going on that I'm supposed to be a part of to fully ramify that discussion and offer final recommendations on that subject. But I'm happy to report that, as the chairman just indicated, the party stands completely united behind the leadership of His Excellency, the national chairman of our party. And we are all standing together. Our colleague who has concerns, those concerns are being looked into. And I think that in due course, we'll have reason to explain the very specific conclusions of those discussions. But we are, good on this question.
So the takeaway is that can you shed light on the issue of zoning? Why is the party wasting time?
We are not wasting time. There's no timeline to do zoning. The zoning is something that the party does. It's a mechanism by which the party is able to make decisions and afford those who are interested in competing for power in the leadership of the 10th Assembly to do so with minimum rift and rancor, to do so peacefully and seamlessly. So there's no timeline to that. So when you say we are not, yes, we're not in a hurry. We want to do it right. The chairman just said this requires very exhaustive consultation, not just of the leadership of the party, but also of those who are even aspiring, so that whatever the party comes up with by way of formula will be acceptable with minimum friction. So it's important that the consultation is done and done properly. That's what's going on right now.
Is NWC moving to reverse the lawsuits done by Tyson?
Look, I can't go into that detail. I just told you that we have a meeting that's going on where some of those specific issues are being discussed. And so we hope that will be done. All right?
Thank you.
So thank you very much.
Yes. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, take it short.
Please.
Yeah,